You'll have to sign a release too if you're sitting there in that chair. Slide down just about half an inch.
Slide
this way.
That way?
Yeah. Yes, right there.
I'm nervous.
This is gonna feel tight, Matthew, and it's supposed to.
Okay.
Are you videoing?
Can you
Already?
take this?
Okay.
Hold on, you're stepping in the button.
It's tighter on this side than this side.
Yeah, you're in there evenly though.
What do I do with my hands? Oh, God.
Lay them right here on your tummy. There it is. You want to keep your teeth together on this one, Matthew, so you
Together,
don't bite
don't
your
clench.
tongue. No, don't clench. Just keep them together so you're not biting your tongue.
Do I totally
If you
relax?
do this one from the side, that'd be great. Deep breath in through your nose. With your left ear.
Oh, God!
Yep.
Oh, God! Oh,
That was a home run on your very first one.
oh shoot!
You
Oh,
felt that all the way down, didn't you?
yeah.
Deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. I want you to do about 5 of those in a row. Deep in through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Inhale deep through your nose. Exhale deep through your mouth. Blow it all out. Deep inhale through your nose. Deep exhale through your mouth. Look at there. Still kicking.
I felt it center and lower.
I know you felt it, and I felt it all the way down. Okay, let me have this. There you go. See, it works better if I do it. Good job. Keep doing those deep breaths. So when we get up this time, I'm going to have you grab onto my right hand. I'm going to help you swing up. Bring these legs over to the side. And get up sideways, see. That's a lot easier, wasn't it? Because when you sit straight up, you put your spine in flexion. It compresses the disc in the front. The disc bulges backwards, and that's where your nerves are. Come back here and let me shoot you now. You okay?
Yeah.
You should feel a little
Nervous.
lighter already.
Nervous.
That's fine. You're going to be sore for about 3 days. Crushed ice, freezer baggie right on that low back, right on the skin for 20 minutes. I want you to do a 10-minute fast brisk walk as soon as you leave the office here, before you sit down anywhere. Okay, so here's your homework. This will help you to help yourself. Your head's forward, pulling everything else forward. So we're going to do shoulders up and back. Shrug them all the way up. Shrug them up to your back simultaneously. Try these guys here like this. Okay. You're forward in the Z-axis. We're going to retract negative in the Z-axis and then negative theta X rotations. I'm going to adjust your atlas while you're in a mirror image. Okay, relax. Bend your head forward and backwards again. See if that feels any smoother at all yet.
A little more balanced.
Yep.
I feel like I'm not so wobbly.
Yeah, you're not
I still got a wobble, but
Not bad. Walk around the room. Tell me how that low back feels right now compared to 6.
feels good.
That's not a number.
I feel
You came in at
I
a
feel the
6.
hip.
Well,
but
you're
I
gonna
don't-
feel where those pins were. That's on your.
Yeah, right
That's
now it's
different.
Not hurting. It's not hurting.
It's not hurting at all.
No. I feel a little bit of slight tight. but-
Okay, tight and sore is okay at this point. But the pain's different than a 6.
Oh, yeah.
Are you having
definitely up here?
Are you having leg pain? Did you guys stand up straighter?
Yeah.
Say his heads up more. That's what we got to get him doing all the time because this is what's killing him. That
Yeah.
forward hip posture.
Yep.
Look at that.
It,
That's 100%.
It doesn't
there.
hurt as bad to touch my toes. Like I feel like the muscles
That's the
are
worst
tight,
stretch.
but what my spine feels so much
Yeah.
better.
It
That's
doesn't
what's
muscle, it's fine.
Yeah.
I breathe better.
Yep. That's because we adjusted your ribs anteriorly and posteriorly. How about your upper back and mid back now compared to 5?
It's better. It's
Okay.
feeling better.
Now, I'm gonna want to see you a couple times though this week.
Okay.
If you can come back in on Wednesday, let's do another one.
I work
Or
until
Tuesday.
afternoon, We'll have to schedule it,
Well,
so.
Wednesday's tomorrow, so feels like Monday. but
Oh, that's
Tuesday.
right, this is
Oh,
the week.
yeah.
Man, it feels good.